And then stop on your number there. Right here, Miss Emily. Up to 8. All the way up. Okay, that was so good. It's time to do our dance from the beginning. Okay? Mommies, would you mind sitting in the seats if that's okay so they can get used to being on the stage by themselves? We're going to start all the way over here. Thank you. You can sit right up in the front here, too. Okay, we're going to turn face this way. Just face me, girls. Taylor, watch me. We're going to go off stage and stay in our order.